Kia has unveiled the Kia Stonic Facelift, which elevates the customer experience in the compact CUV segment. Kia's Opposites United design philosophy transforms the new Stonic into a bolder and more expressive crossover. Compared to the previous generation, the model largely retains its compact dimensions. The only exception is its length, which has been increased by 25 millimeters due to the redesigned front and rear bumpers. In addition, the front end features several changes, including Kia's Star Map signature lighting, more prominent and structured upper and lower grilles, and an updated front fender. The redesign continues at the rear, with a new tailgate, distinctive taillights, an updated skid plate, and a rear bumper with cleaner lines. These aesthetic changes are complemented by new wheel options across the range, including 16 and 17-inch alloy wheels, as well as exclusive 17-inch wheels for the sportier GT line version. The exterior color palette has been updated with two expressive colors, adventurous green and yacht blue. Kia's strategy to popularize advanced features is evident in the interior of the new Stonic. A completely new element is the panoramic dual-screen display. The two high-resolution 12.3-inch screens seamlessly integrate infotainment and vehicle information, setting a new benchmark for B-segment crossovers. The multi-mode touchscreen replaces traditional climate control buttons with a sleek interface. This allows the driver to easily switch between climate control settings and infotainment menus. The cabin also features new 2- and 3-spoke steering wheel designs, a redesigned gearshift lever and center console, and an updated dashboard layout. Interior enhancements such as fast-charging USB-C ports, wireless smartphone connectivity, and ambient lighting provide a more refined in-car experience. The new Stonic features a 1.0 t-gdi gasoline engine designed to meet a wide range of customer requirements. With 100 horsepower, it provides a robust internal combustion engine solution. Alternatively, customers can opt for a 115 horsepower mild hybrid version. Both powertrains are available with a 6-speed manual transmission, and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission is also offered for the MHEV variant.